It's just not our time. Somehow all those feelings go away when we start getting and shine high. Yeah, you love me like moonshine. I know you don't love me the same. I know I'm always gonna be your safe place. Just like a hangover pass. Wish the love you show these nights would last. You love me like moonshine. Only set me on those hard nights. 'Cause you know, baby, oh, me. I'm sitting here alone. My faith became broken. My world has been stolen. I'm still sitting here trying to make it all make sense. And I'm afraid you call me crying. I know what to say. Don't want you to know that I'm alone. I got this feeling that it's keeping up. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I can't let you go. Don't want it so. Don't keep it a hold of me. Yeah, I'm sitting here alone. Gotta find a way to keep on going. Build my strength and keep it growing. I'll get over you, and I know that